Hi, I'm Laura and welcome to this How to Crochet series by Annie's. In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to make a slip knot and a chain stitch. The slip knot is how you attach your yarn to the hook, a pretty important step. It's a knot you can tighten or loosen on your hook, so then you can slide it up and down your hook. Then we'll work chain stitches, which are super easy and form the base into which you'll work your crochet stitches. Once you learn how to chain, I suggest you practice making a slip knot and chaining stitches for a few minutes every day for just a week. It'll help your hands and fingers learn what to do. So let's get started.
Crochet usually begins with a series of chain stitches called a beginning or foundation chain. A slip knot is the first step in most crochet projects. We will begin by making a slip knot on the crochet hook about 6 inches from the free end of the yarn. You will first start by creating a loop with the yarn. Be sure that the free end of the yarn is dangling behind your loop. Insert the crochet hook through the center of the loop and hook the free end. Pull this through and up onto the working area of the crochet hook. Pull the free yarn end to tighten the loop. The loop on the crochet hook should be firm, but loose enough to slide back and forth easily on the hook. Be sure you still have about a 6-inch yarn end. Now let's make the first chain stitch. Step 1. Hold the crochet hook, now with its slip knot, in your right hand and wrap the yarn around your left hand. To wrap the yarn, begin by wrapping the yarn around your pinky and over your index finger through the fingers of your left hand. Your pinky and ring finger will be bent in towards your palm to hold and control the yarn. With the tip of the middle finger and the thumb of your left hand, hold the yarn right below the slip knot. Step 2. Bring the yarn over the crochet hook from the back to the front and hook it. Draw hooked yarn through the loop of the slip knot onto the hook and up onto the working area of the crochet hook. You now have made one chain stitch. Step 3. Again, hold the base of the slip knot and bring the yarn over the crochet hook from back to front. Hook it and draw through the loop on the hook. You have made another chain stitch. We will repeat step 3 for each additional chain. It is important to note that you should always move the left thumb and index finger up the chain close to the crochet hook after each new stitch or two. This helps you control the work. Also, be sure to pull each new stitch up onto the working area of the hook. Otherwise, your starting chain stitches will become too tight. Practice making chains until you are comfortable with your grip of the crochet hook and the flow of the yarn. In the beginning, your work will be uneven, with some chain stitches loose and others tight. While you are learning, try to keep the chain stitches loose. As your skill increases, the chain should be firm but not tight, with all stitches even in size.
Thanks for watching. Please take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any of our new crochet videos coming up. And tell us in the comment, what is your favorite type of crochet project? Afghans, sweaters, toys, holiday items, or something else? We love hearing from our fellow crocheters. See you next time!